In this video, I'm gonna perform the Wi-Fi speed test of POCO X8 Pro Max. I also performed a similar test on my computer just to compare results and see the difference. So in my case, I also use Wi-Fi 6 network because unfortunately I don't have Wi-Fi 7 network. And there we go. As you can see, the download speed is actually pretty huge, and it reached 670, slightly over 670, but at the end it states 667 megabits per second. Compared to my computer, it is 930 megabits per second, so the difference is still, of course, noticeable, but I have to say that the download speed, regardless of the fact that the difference is there, it's still pretty good. The upload speed is 84.5 megabits per second, but I have to be honest, my upload speed is terrible. It's definitely bad, and it definitely can be much better. This is something that you probably can not look at. And if I compare it, even though it's still pretty bad, if I compare it to my computer, it's identical, almost identical, because on my computer I got 86 megabits per second, so the difference is minimal. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.